Let's unclog your clogged up Keurig machine.
So you got a Keurig and this is getting filled with water. You're not getting use out of your coffee. This is a common problem with all these Keurigs. It sucks, but I'm gonna show you guys how to fix it. So if you got a heavy cup and you know something's wrong, there is a pin. You're gonna locate this little pin, that piercing pin right there. It's actually like a syringe and it has a hollow center, but it's not from the center, it's on the sidewall. So this is really hard for me to show you guys, but inside of there, it's not at the center of it, it's on the back wall where my fingernail is. But what you want to do is, you see that little hole in there? You could almost see that there's an opening on that sidewall, on the bottom side. So what you're going to do is stick a pin in there and keep pushing it in and out, around, and then keep blowing in this. Once you have airflow in there, that's why what happens is when this sits into the tray, the water has to go down into the tube, and when that gets clogged with coffee grounds, people think that their Keurig is junk. Can't tell you how many of these are probably thrown away in the garbage only because of a clogged little needle. So what you want to do is just unclog that little circle, and if you can blow in it, then it's working. It took a while because those coffee grounds were so built up, so you really got to stick like a sewing needle all the way straight through there, and you'll feel it come out the sidewall. Oh, there's a good picture of where the entrance is. If you can see it, I'm trying to show you guys. Right at the tip of my fingernail, it's actually on the side wall where it has an opening. So you just keep sticking the needle in and out of there. All you need is about a 2 or 3 inch needle going all the way through, and once it cleans it up, you'll be all set to go. Problem solved. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you on once you unclog the Keurig and go make some coffee. See you later. Bye.